Hello friends, I am Akash to share with you the strategy of NET Paper 1. Please subscribe and share the channel to get update. Sometimes we think that it is very difficult to get a NET or to clear GRF, but in reality it is very easy to clear NET and to get GRF, and also it is very easy to do PhD from any institution in India or abroad. Paper 1 basically contains 100 marks, and it has 50 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. There is no negative marking. To get GRA, we have to score more than 80%, and we can say that to clear NET, we have to score at least 60% in this topic. So this topic is very important in this exam, in this NET exam. In the next slide, I am going to share with you the detailed topics or sections of paper 1. Okay, I am moving. These are the topics of NET paper 1. The first topic is research aptitude. Second topic is teaching aptitude. Third topic is communication. Fourth topic is higher education system. Fifth topic is environment. Sixth topic is numerical reasoning. Seventh topic is logical reasoning. Eighth topic is data interpretation. And ninth topic is information and communication technology. And lastly, reading comprehension. These are the broad topics of NET paper 1, and NET asks 5 questions from each topics. There is 50 questions. I have said earlier 50 questions, and each question carries 2 marks. So total marks is 100 marks. So these are the main topics. I can share with you the brief of these topics. That in research aptitude, we will learn about how to do research. What are the main components of research? What are the strategy of research? In teaching aptitude, we will learn about how to teach students. In communication, we will learn about how to communicate with people. In higher education system, we will learn about how the education system in India is changing from ancient time to today. In environment, we will learn about the environment situation from ancient to recent time. In numerical reasoning, we will solve some reasoning numerically. In logical reasoning, we will solve some reasoning logically. And in data interpretation, we will solve data which is noted in table, and there will be some questions based on these tables. We have to solve these questions, or we have to answer these questions based on this table. And lastly, reading comprehension. Reading comprehension basically will test our ability to learn or to read quickly. As quick reading comprehension will test the reading ability of our. Okay, so these are the broad topics. In the next slide, or in the next video, I will share the detailed strategy of each topic.